Hey guys, today we are going to show you how to create a Microsoft Word keyboard shortcut in your Mac. As you know, lots of keyboard combinations which been designed by Microsoft for Windows devices are not working in Mac. For example, if you need to use highlight in Microsoft Word, or you need to assign a combination for ruler view. To do this, simply open your Microsoft Word application and navigate to Tools. Click on Customize Keyboard. Click on All Commands. Now search for whatever features you need a shortcut key for. Click on it and navigate to this box over here and click. Now hold the combination you like for this feature and hit Assign. For instance, I'm using Command and number 3 for highlight. Also, I will do another one for ruler, and I do the same thing. To remove the shortcut, simply follow the same steps and hit Remove here. Keep in mind, if there is combination key defined by default in your computer, it will show you here, like this. And let's test this now. I will press command number 3 for highlight and command number 4 to open the ruler view. And here we go. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe to this channel. Have a great day.